Good morning. It's 10:30 a.m. in Singapore, and today is going to be a special video. I'm going to be staying one night at one of the most historic and the best hotels in Singapore. It's called Fullerton Hotel, and I pay $450 for one night. この高級ホテルで普通にレビューするだけじゃなくて、荒探しです。はい、荒探しっていうとイメージ悪いですが、やっぱり高い買い物するときってデメリットも気になると思うんですよね。なのでちゃんとこのホテルの、ちょっと行きづらい部分をご紹介したいなと思います。Let's go! Wow, look at that! Pretty impressive! ちょっとせっかくなんでメインエントランスから入りましょうか。We have reservation for one night.
For checking in?
Yes, checking in. Okay, we got the card keys. So, as you might know, this hotel used to be the general post office, as well as it was also used as the offices for the governors of Singapore. Currently, it's a hotel. There's around 400 rooms. Pretty nice so far. It has a very historic vibe. そんなに今のところ荒はないですね。めちゃくちゃ綺麗。高級感がある。I'm so excited for the room. Whoa! Pretty nice. Not bad. あれでも思ったより小さいかもしれない。Okay, let's check out the balcony. Wow. Pretty awesome. We have a balcony in our room, and the view we get feels amazing. You have all the banks, the people working at the banks looking down on you. Maybe that's one negative point about this hotel. But anyways, here we see Singapore's iconic building called Marina Bay Sands. We have casino, a humongous shopping mall. いいね。ただやっぱり一つデメリットとしては高くないんですよね、このフラットホテルって。なんでなんだろう、うわマリーナベイサンズみたいにうわすごいこの国はみたいな、そういったのはない。あとね、こいつがね止めれないと思う。ちょっと気になるかな。Check out the bed. Nice, white and fluffy. Shall we do the bed test? ほい Okay, pass. Pretty nice. Yeah. And I like the artworks. A cute clock here, but なんかちょっと斜めってのが気になるね。It has to be straight, you know. おお、あ、この椅子めっちゃいい。買いたい。Oh, it's a speaker. And this is the TV. Wow. It's pretty big. It's not small. And you can kind of tilt it just like 3 degrees if you want to. で、これが軽食コーナーですね。僕が一番好きなエリアになってます。Nice. I believe they are not free. Wow, look at this atas looking water, cup noodles, chicken, some black truffle chips, cashew nuts. How much was this? $8? $10. Wow, $10 cup noodles. And this is the espresso machine. And ここが冷蔵庫だ。じゃあ冷蔵庫チェックしてみましょう。じゃじゃーん。まあ普通かな、スタンダードですね。ワインとかビールとか。Oh! I forgot to do something. Here you go. オリオンビール。持ってきました。今夜用にちょっと冷やしとく感じですね。で、here we have, oh cool, TWGT. That's one of the most premium tea makers in Singapore. Some cups. And what's this? じゃーん。エスプレッソ。そこで作るようですね。まず思ったのが何でもそうですけど重厚感を感じます。これ一つとってもうなんだろう、この引く感じの重厚感とか、例えばこの壁とかも、これは多分マリーナベイサンズとかにない、魅力の一つだと思います。 Alright, moving on to everybody's favorite area, the toilet. Check it out. Jan. Wow. Okay, so the toilet is pretty huge. You have a bathtub here. Whoa! 驚かさないでよ、マジでこれ。あ、これすごいな。I guess this is the control for the washlet. でもね、これね、さっきね、試してたんですけど。おお。Oh, cool. That's the button to open and close. Wow. How cool is that? でさっき試したんですけど、トイレの流し方わかんないなと思ってずっとこれで遊ってたんですけど、トイレ流すのはここなんですよ。そこだけアナログ界みたいな感じですが、バスタブ、多分僕余裕で入るんじゃないかな。Alright, let's try it. 多分余裕で足伸ばせるはず。あ、いけますね。Oh, wow! Pretty big. で、洗面台。Atkinson's っていうメーカーのなんか石鹸とか、ちょっと粗探ししないといけないのいつもね忘れちゃうというか、そんな粗がないっていうのが正直なところなんですが、でも一つ気づいたのがあります。これ You see all those dead leaves? いや、なんか清掃がちょっと微妙な感じはする、外はね。So we actually booked a staycation deal. So it was around $450. We get a free upgrade to the heritage room. We have $150 worth of vouchers we can use at the restaurants at Fullerton Hotel. So now we're gonna get some lunch. We also get early check-in at 11 a.m. and late check-out at 6 p.m., which is pretty nice. And look at this. Wow, there's like I didn't know there was a secret underground passage here. We have a booking for La Brassiere.
La batterie.
Look at this restaurant. Wow. We got steak and fries for 68 Singapore dollars and duck confit for 49 Singapore. Let's see if it's good or not. Duck confit, crispy duck with some walnuts and stuff. Looks pretty. And on the right is Wagyu. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
So beefy.
So tender. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is good. Messing the plate up. It's good, but no match compared to the Wagyu. Wow. はい、次は共用部分のご紹介です。So we're heading to the Fullerton Spa and the gym. Nice. このジムかなりミニマムな感じですね。ベンチプレスはない。But they have lots of cardio machines. あとは筋トレマシン。ベンチプレスがないのでガチな筋トレはできないけど、全然いい汗は流せそうです。Look at this. It's called the suite room, and it even has a freaking big balcony all to ourselves. This is pretty insane. どっから紹介しようか。まあいいや、とにかくこれが、リビングエリアですね。It's pretty darn nice. Wow. Got some fresh fruits, and this is the view we get. It's quite different. This is facing the river. How awesome is this? I'll show you the bedroom. Okay, this is the bedroom. Wow. And this is the toilet. Okay. Wow. Ooh. You did it again, man. Toto. Come on, Toto. Don't scare me. This is the shower, the bathtub, and okay, now you have two sinks. pretty darn awesome. そしてもちろんスイートルームなんでトイレもう一個ね謎にあるんですよ。すごくないこれ？いやいやいや、おかしいでしょこれ。これおかしいでしょ。これだって僕専用ですよこれ。僕と妻専用のバルコニーですよ。You can have a freaking party here. Who wants to come? WhatsApp me. And that's the Marina Bay Sands. How crazy is this? And if it rains, you have a hideout here. Check it out. But the point of this video is to kind of search the flaws. So I already found one. Lots of dead leaves. I have the feeling that they don't really maintain the outdoors well, or they don't really clean it well. Cool. If you get a suite room, you'll get you get to automatically close curtains. Okay, are there any flaws here? Ooh, oh yeah, it's difficult to open. Okay, that's a big minus. I guess the drinks are the same. なんかこのちょっと安っぽいね。So that's one flaw. ちょっと安っぽい。And yeah, the mini bars are extremely expensive. These are not free. This costs you 10 Singapore dollars. You can get this $1 at a local supermarket. Wait, so my wife just found out that they use a different body wash, shampoo, soap. Is this more expensive than the...
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
And this
Balmain
costs, I think, $8.
This costs $8. And she also found out that they provide you these scrubs, I guess. So you can have your own spa. That's like a sea salt, I think. すごい。じゃあちゃんと清掃が行き届いてるのかをここでチェックしたいと思います。ほこりチェック。結構ベタっとついた。まあ全然許容範囲ですよ。もうこの素晴らしい景観と内装。Am I the only one who feels like this is too much? なんか申し訳ない、こんなにしてもらって。なのでちょっとやりすぎて逆にこっちが申し訳になるので、それはデメリットかもしれないですね。でもこれがやっぱり5つ星ホテル、プラトンホテルのすごいところなんだろうなって思います。This was totally unexpected. Wow. Nice. And the view, you guys have to check out this view. It's just so amazing. You get to see the Singapore River, the boat quay, Victoria Hall. で僕のように目的地が、歩くにしてはちょっと遠いし、電車使うのもめんどくさいって場合はこのシェアサイクルおすすめです。You know how I said this is recommended? Maybe not because チェーンが外れてる。こんなんばっかりなんですよ。So guess how I'm gonna go back to my hotel? Using like a scooter. Woo! Pizza party. 今日はピザパーティーだ。Cheers. わあ、オリオンビール久しぶり。Wow, this is life, man. Life is good. Sushi and pizza. Don't do this. Oh, nice. This is the pool. It's pretty nice, but it might be a bit small. It's not the biggest pool. So what I like is it has a colonial feel to it. Okay, we purchased these just to fully enjoy our bath experience. なんか宇宙が広がるらしいんで。Ready?
Okay.
Okay. Whoo! It's fizzling. I love the smell. This is so cool. And the bathtub, very spacious. Thank you, thank you. はい、ルームサービスにこれ無料ですよ。枕2種類持ってきました。なんか10種類ぐらいあって、This is micro gel and feather. Let's try which one's better. Okay, not bad. Oh, this is more bouncy. Okay, I'm about to end today, and I just want to point out that what stands out the most is the service. It's impeccable. Every staff I meet, they're just so awesome. They're just so natural. 笑顔も素晴らしいし、なんか久しぶりにシンガポールでこんないいサービスを受けました、本当に。いい睡眠は取れたんですが、一つすごく気になったのがこのウォシュレット。こいつが夜中になんか洗浄してるのか分かんないけど何度もなんか音を立てるんですね。だから、皆さん泊まる人はぜひこれ閉めた方がいいです、寝る前。So breakfast is held at the town restaurant, which is at the first floor of the Fullerton Hotel. Not bad. Okay, let's try the laksa. 匂いがね、すごいエビの匂いがすごい。Wow, it has two middle-sized prawns. Okay, これシンガポールの代表する麺料理ですね。Oh, it's interesting. It's kind of like clam chowder. Very creamy. Thank you. Oh, that's me.
And that's me.
That's her. I personally feel the food is alright. It's definitely not the best I've had, but it's the hospitality. The staff are just so also kind. Okay, let's try to take an epic thumbnail. Ouch. Ah, okay. デメリットを探すっていう趣旨なんで、例えばここに there's like something popping out here and there's like I think somebody got mad and kicked here. Don't know what happened. あとはぶっちゃけそんなにないですね。I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but the service, the staff working here are impeccable. They are just amazing people, and yeah, I think that's what stands out most about this hotel. なんでこの辺で動画を終わりにしたいと思います。チェックアウト6時でまだ4時間ぐらいあるんですが、こんな感じで、多分食べて終わり。あとジムにも行こうと思うんですが。So yeah, see you in the next video. If you liked it, please leave a like button and subscribe to the channel to get notifications. Okay, see you again. ありがとうございました。またお会いしましょう。さよなら。10分ランサー了。